choosing between Fidelity versus Robinhood. Both brokers offer attractive features, including highly rated mobile apps and $0 commission for stocks and ETFs. But the types of assets each focuses on and the kinds of accounts they offer vary. In this video, we'll be comparing both platforms, so I'd recommend you to watch till the end to know the final verdict on which is better. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Both Fidelity and Robinhood make buying stocks affordable with $0 commission fees for online stock and ETF trades. There's also no account maintenance fee with either brokerage firm unless you sign up for Robinhood Gold, in which case you'll pay $5 per month. There are some important differences though. Fidelity charges a $0.65 options contract fee while Robinhood does not. That makes Robinhood one of the best options trading platforms. If you want to close out your account though, Fidelity won't charge you anything to do it, while Robinhood imposes a $100 fee. That means you need to think more carefully before trying out Robinhood, as you'll need to pay to get your assets out. Fidelity and Robinhood both offer stocks, ETFs, fractional shares, and options. However, that's where the similarities end. While Fidelity offers clients access to more than 10,000 mutual funds, including many proprietary funds, Robinhood doesn't allow mutual fund trading at all. Fidelity also offers the opportunity to buy CDs and bonds, which Robinhood doesn't. Robinhood, on the other hand, allows you to trade 15 different cryptocurrencies, while Fidelity only offers access to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Fidelity and Robinhood differ in the types of accounts offered. If you're interested in the best robo-advisors, Robinhood won't be an option as it doesn't offer robo-advising services. Fidelity, on the other hand, offers Fidelity Go, which is an affordable robo-advisor that charges no fees for investment account balances under $25,000. Fidelity also offers custodial accounts as well as tax-advantaged retirement accounts. Robinhood doesn't offer custodial accounts, but it now offers Roth IRAs and traditional IRAs. If you're looking for the best broker for IRAs, both Fidelity and Robinhood are worth considering. Robinhood allows margin trading, but you must be a Robinhood Gold member and pay a $5 per month fee to get the lowest margin interest rate. Fidelity offers margin account options too. Although you pay interest on margin with either brokerage firm, it's worth noting that with Robinhood Gold, the first $1,000 of margin is interest-free. Both Robinhood and Fidelity offer full-featured mobile apps. However, the Robinhood app received a 4.2-star rating on the iOS platform compared with Fidelity's 4.8-star app. Robinhood's app for Android users averages 4.1 stars on the Google Play Store, while users give Fidelity's Android app an average of 4.4 stars. Robinhood's app focuses on simplifying the investing process, making it one of the best online brokers for beginners. Fidelity, on the other hand, offers multiple desktop and mobile trading platforms including Active Trader Pro. It may be preferred among more experienced investors who want access to a wider variety of research tools. Final take. Deciding between Fidelity vs. Robinhood isn't an easy choice as both have a lot to offer. Those who want no-fee options contracts or who are interested in cryptocurrency trading may prefer Robinhood, while Fidelity could be a better fit for retirement investors or those looking for mutual funds. Ultimately, your trading style and personal preferences will determine which brokerage firm is right for you. So I believe that's it for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.